Welcome everyone. Today we're going to do a virtual 360-degree tour of the Palomar Observatory Campground. We're coming right up on it here off of Chandler Road, I think this is called, or Canfield Road, excuse me. It's right here on the right. Observatory Campground. This is part of the Cleveland National Forest. This is an RV friendly campground. There are a few low trees as you pull in, nothing terrible, but if you have a really tall rig it might scrape a bit. It's basically just one loop, so as you pull in you have to make a right. We're going to do that. The entrance kiosk and pay station here is on our left. Currently $15 for a single site or $30 for a double site. Day use is $5. First stop looks like a tenting area, tents or vans maybe, sites 1 and 2 on the left. Site 3, a single site on the left. That's an accessible site. Restrooms on the right. Here we have on the left site 5, and on the right site 6
and 7.
7's in there with 6, so that's a double site there. 5 was a single site. Okay, looks like a few tent camping spots. It's kind of neat back there. We have 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there's a whole group of tent camp spots back there. And then we have a trash can. And the camp hosts up here on the right. Melissa and Anthony are the camp hosts while we're here today. Real nice people. Now we have more tent camping, walk back, which is 13, 14, 15, 16. Doesn't look like 17. That's just an empty spot there. 17 and 18 are on the left side. Now coming up, we have parking. This is accessible parking. This is the trailhead for the Observatory Trail, and you can hike up there to see the Palomar Observatory. On 19 and 20 are, as we're passing on the left here, those are very open, so good for solar. Starlink also. Starlink friendly those would be probably. You have water and a restroom on the right. 21 and 22, a double site, are on the left. 23 and 24 are on the right, and they have their own trash can. So if you got a lot of trash, this is a site for you. '25 and 26, we're passing on the right. Yeah, that's pretty long. All right, and then 27. 27's a pretty long site. It's just a single, but there's pretty good space around it. Probably wouldn't be too hard to get back there. That's a good site on the left. And then also on the left are 28 and 28. Look at that. They're both 28. That's a double site there. And then 29 is on the right. It's got quite a bit of a slope to it. It's narrow and sloping. We're coming up to site 30, which is on the left as we're passing. And then 31 is on the right. And there's someone in there. Oh, that's 32 also? That's a double. Okay. That's a double there. And you've got the restrooms on the left. It looks like there's some parking here by the restrooms. I don't believe those are camp spots. 33 and 34 are on the right. And that's a pretty good size place back there with lots of tables, etc. And then it looks like there's an accessible spot here. There's also water right here, but then we've got 35 and 36. Those are accessible and pretty close to the restrooms. Now we're passing on the left 39, and then on the right we've got 37 and 38, and then they also have these pads that they've cut in for telescopes. So this is a pretty popular area for people to do their own astronomy, and if you'd like, you can bring your telescopes right out here and do your stargazing from here. Site 40 is as we're passing here on the right. It's a single site that looks reasonably long. And then finally, the very last site is the one we're in, which is 41 and 42. That's a combo. It's a combo site. And then basically we just exit straight out the park. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more like this.